In life, maintaining balance is very important, like maintaining a balanced diet. In chemistry also, balance is very important because in chemistry we deal with lots of chemical reactions. Now we usually tend to think that chemical reactions involve mixing of substances or reactants to give us a particular product. But usually that is not the case. So how do chemical reactions find the necessary balance? There's an amazingly simple way to do that. Can you guess? You got that right. It's the balancing of chemical reactions. Now this technique has the foundation in the law of conservation of mass. And according to this law, the number of atoms of a particular element on the reactant side and the product side has to remain the same. So let us try and balance a chemical reaction to get the understanding of this technique. So the reaction between manganese dioxide and hydrogen chloride gives us manganese chloride, chlorine gas and water as the products. This reaction can be represented by a chemical equation, and since we are talking about equation, there are going to be two sides. The left side represents the reactant side, the right side represents the product side. So let's see what we have. On the reactant side, the number of atoms of manganese is 1. There are 2 oxygen atoms, 1 chlorine atom and 1 hydrogen atom. While on the product side, there are 1 manganese atom, 1 oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen atoms and 4 chlorine atoms. So we can clearly see that the number of atoms for the elements chlorine, hydrogen and oxygen are way out of balance. So to balance this chemical reaction, we'll proceed in a stepwise manner, balancing each